Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, with the help of World Bank, Jeff presents End-to-End Energy Efficiency Program for micro, small and medium enterprise to give loans at attractive terms for energy efficiency equipments, processes and machineries. Let us look at one of the MSME units from the textile sector covered under 4E program by SIDBI.
All energy saving measures suggested by ISTSL experts are being implemented by this unit. Let us look at some of the good interventions. The efficiency level of this boiler was very low, around 67%, was consuming huge quantity of pet coke as compared to similar type of boilers available in the market. The lower efficiency was attributed due to poor combustion of the fuel, radiation losses from outside surface, damaged insulation of a steam distribution line as well as condensate line. After having serious discussion on the issues, unit management is replacing the entire boiler system assembly with new energy efficient boiler with 84% efficiency.
Increasing energy wastages were eating our profit margins on a regular basis. We needed a solution to reduce fuel cost. Since long, we have been a regular customer of SIDBI, so we contacted SIDBI to upgrade our technology to improve our bottom line. From their SIDBI Ludhiana branch, we came to know about this scheme called 4E financing scheme. This scheme was fulfilling our requirements in many folds, like providing suitable energy saving measures in our existing operation, covering our requirements of technology upgradation, and providing technical inputs and suggestions to reduce our energy consumption. So we decided to take this benefit of the scheme. Usually MSMEs don't know how to select a good experienced energy auditor, and there is also no benchmark to fix a technical fee. Hence we asked SIDBI to recommend us on this issue, and they suggested us to contact ISTSL and get the energy audit done at our plant. We have implemented all energy saving measures suggested in the energy audit report, where SIDBI has financed around rupees 1 crore under the 4E scheme at attractive terms. We expect to save energy inputs to the tune of 10 to 12%. We recommend other industries also to avail the benefits of 4E scheme of SIDBI to make their industries more profitable. Let us make our industries energy efficient and contribute towards our development, sustainable economic growth of the nation, and also towards making our environment greener and cleaner.
Now we are at Nahar Paper and Board Mills. ISTSL has also conducted detailed energy audit at this unit under the 4E scheme.
We at Nahar are always focused to enhance energy efficiency of our unit by adopting latest technologies and modernization. Our focus is also on utilization of renewable energy wherever feasible. Towards this objective, we approached SIDBI, Chandigarh branch, and came to know about 4E financing scheme. This scheme was giving us full support and providing us a platform to achieve our targets. Hence, we decided to take loan under this scheme. As energy audit was mandatory in this scheme, SIDBI suggested us to contact ISTSL team for conducting energy audit at our plant. ISTSL energy auditors did energy audit and explained us various energy saving measures. We invested around 1.5 crore through SIDBI financing under 4E scheme, and we are expecting to reduce our energy consumption up to 18%. We will highly recommend other industries to get the benefits of this scheme and help conserve the environment. Thanks.
India SME Technology Services Limited has been entrusted by SIDBI to implement the 4E solution product all across India at a larger scale. Now, let us look at the financial support under 4E product. Loans for energy efficiency projects can be covered from 10 lakh to 1.5 crores. 90% of the total project cost can be covered. A rebate in rate of interest from 2.05% to 3.85% that would be given to the borrowers. energy efficiency retrofit projects, technology upgradation, modernization or automation projects can be covered. To avail the benefits of the scheme, MSME units have to fill an application form. MSME category, that is micro, small or medium enterprise, details of existing process equipment and utilities in questionnaire data form. Reasonable energy audit fee. Contact ISTSL at your nearest SIDBI branch office for availing this facility and make your industry more healthy by removing inefficiencies and losses from your plant.